even if one relies on the slight merits derived from virtuous actions to attain a body like that of Brahma or Indra, characterized by long life, abundant wealth, grandeur, and striking appearance, one ultimately cannot escape death. After death, one will still have to endure the tragic suffering of the lower realms. Thus, those who temporarily possess insignificant comforts like wealth, health, and happiness will, within a few years, months, or even just a few days, find themselves destitute and pitiable, or unwillingly must experience the unbearable pain of the lower realms as the fruits of their good karma are exhausted. If we deeply contemplate the unbearable sufferings in samsara, we will suddenly realize, oh, so the objects to which people cling to greedily are nothing more than this. Temporary happiness and joy at present are akin to suddenly waking from a dream during a time of prosperity. What is the meaning in this happiness and joy?